Guys, this is Miley. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a home tour or apartment tour.
That is the living room. This is the dining room.
I am staying here. I am living here now. And this is a very special video, apartment tour. That's why. Since it's hot, and I'll tell you that story in a bit, but let's start with the home tour now. Hi guys, this is Miley. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my home tour or apartment tour in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So we are in this house. I'll show you around. This is a very special video, not just because I'm in Colombo, Sri Lanka. This is my hometown. Home country, homeland. More than that, this house was on my vision board. So like a couple of years ago. And I am staying here. I am living here now, and I cannot believe how that goes. And I'll tell you that story in a bit, but let's start with the home tour now. So this is the entrance. This is the door. Here you can check who's coming. And I'm not going to open this. This is, they call it a servant room. So if you have a maid or someone who can stay there, but now it's all, the junk stuff or cleaning products are inside, like broom, mop, and other stuff are inside. So I'll show you.
Like when you enter here, like that is the living room. I'll show you. And this is the dining room and kitchen. And this was the entrance. This is how it looks. There are my shoes and slippers. This goes to the other rooms, and that one is the second washroom. And this is the master bedroom.
So when you enter the house, and I'll show you,
this is the view. I don't know if you can see. So this is the living room.
That's the view. Now you guys should know why I'm so excited and why this house was in my vision board. So let's start from here. Since we're here, let's start from here. This is the living room.
So the sofa, single sofa, double sofa.
And I brought this from Canada. And this is the sand and fog sage and sea salt candle. I love candles, and I knew I'm going to be here, so I brought it. It's top.
And this is the TV, like TV stand and woofer system and everything, like which I don't use it at all. Like I don't even know. I never used it.
And this is a sage.
I haven't wear it yet.
I love the details. Look at the art.
That's a Sri Lankan art. That's Canadian elephant and the parade.
Okay. So this is a very traditional art, like Canadian elephant and the parade, Canadian dances. And I'll show you my kitchen now. So this is the dining table, like 6 chairs. And I do have few items, my handbag and my supplements and the tissue box and everything. And when we go here, this is like, I keep tea, coffee. This is the cereal and one more box of tissue. I haven't used this yet. This is a water filter, and there are drawers. So spatula, spoons, knives, and all the peelers, all the necessary items. And here, everything that we need, chopping board, batteries, that's a weighing machine. And pots and pans are here. There is a garbage bin and oven, stove. This stove is kind of interesting. You have to put the switch here in order to use this stove. I have never used it. Like, it's a little bit different, yeah. But since yeah, that's what it is. And then toaster, kettle, more knives, and decorative items like kettle and nice vessels, cooker, rice cooker, and microwave oven, and all the nice glasses and cups and more plates and bowls. So many hands. So yeah, that is the garbage. There are two fans in the living room. One's in the living room and one's in the dining room. This was one of the requirement this time, because when we were in India, we didn't have AC in the living room, so that was limiting our usage in the living room. So this time, I'm very particular that I want AC in the living room since it's hot. So yeah, now we are in our master bedroom. So when we enter here, even through the master bedroom, like this is the view. If you're on my Instagram, you know I do post morning views from my bed, and we do have a really, really nice, spectacular sunset views. Like around 6, 5:45 and 6, like you can see a really nice sunset. That's like, I don't know what to say. I love my life here. And the bed, queen size bed, and the side table, both the sides. Mostly I don't use that one. We use this one. I use this one. And supplements, my 5-minute journal and battery. And this is the hair massager I keep. And laptop, I work from here. Sometimes I take it to the dining room and I work from there. Whatever that works. So yeah, and this is the washroom. So this is the sink, ignore it. Like I cleaned it like 2 days ago, but then I'm not gonna clean it every single day. So this is my dirty mirror and sink, and then what is that? Skincare products. And there is a toilet, shower. We do have rainfall shower and handheld shower. And it's a good size. And you have seen this toiletry bag in my other videos. Like I hang it here, it's very useful. And look at this, look at this. This is a rod hanging of clothes. So this is the master bedroom washroom and my master bedroom. What I really love about this house is, like, since we do have the AC, all the room or washroom doors are insulated. So it's really like the AC won't escape from it. So that's a money saving tip, which we didn't have it when we were in India. Even none of the residences in India have it. Like where we stay, they don't have it. So it's a waste of AC and energy. Okay, let's go and see other rooms. We are walking here, and that is the washer. We do not have a dryer. It says there is a dry only, but it's only dries means like it squeezes out the water out of it, but it doesn't really dry. So we have to hang it. So yeah, when you come in, there is one bedroom. Let's go there. This is the cupboard or closet. I'm not going to open them. We do have clothes in there. There's an ironing board, and we use this to hang our clothes or dry them. I just took everything and I fold them. So yeah, even from this bedroom, all 3 bedrooms have the same view. So that's why. So that's the same view of the beach. and people are having fun. Today is a Sunday, so people are having fun. If it's a Saturday, then there are some pubs and restaurants, so a lot of people, music, and nice vibe. I haven't checked it out personally, but maybe next year. I mean, not next year, next week I would go. And this is like, we are using this as our, what's this? Storage. They already have this, and there's no bed or anything. We don't need it. We just need 2 beds. And we have luggages and more items. And actually, the train is there. This is something. It reminds me of my childhood. So let me close this. And there's another washroom here. And here's the mirror. And sink, toilet, the same kind of shower area with the rain shower and everything. And this is the one, this is a laundry bag, or this is the bag I use it as a laundry bag. I bought it from there. I bought it at Dollarama. You can just snap it and then make it as a fold. So it's easier to use it. So that's why I carry everywhere. Like I put it at the back bottom of my luggage and I use it. And then sometimes I use for this, or if I have to carry my clothing to one room to the other or something, like I use that. Or sometimes I store toys. So that is our apartment tour, and hope you all like it. And finally, I'm showing you again my view. So you can see that's there. And when the sun sets, it's going to be amazing, amazing view. I am very grateful and thankful. So yeah, I was saying, like, this house was on my, or this apartment was on my vision board. I know houses and apartments exist with the view, but I put it like a house so many years ago, and then I raised it, and then when I redo my vision board, I put it as a condo. I wanted with the view of like direct view of sunset and the beach and everything. And finally I'm here. Sometimes I can't even believe what's happening. But then yeah, I am grateful, I am happy, and hope you guys let me know if you do vision boards and what kind of things you do in the vision board, what kind of things you tag or write it down or put a picture of it. I never thought I would be here in Sri Lanka and have this. I always thought...
Waiting for connection.
No. Sometimes this randomly says, I get scared. That is a Bluetooth. So I honestly thought that is going to be somewhere in Mexico. I'm going to have it, but here in Sri Lanka, I'm having it and I'm living my life here. And of course, there are so many Sri Lankan travel videos are coming up. I am slowly getting out of my comfort zone. I'm still like terrified to do that in public, like putting up a camera and talking to it. So we'll see how that goes, but seriously, they are coming. Even then, I'm gonna just shoot them and I'm gonna come home and voice record them and post them. Yeah, keep watching, keep supporting. That means a lot to me, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.